Hello guys, on the previous video I lost all my balance. That's why today I will trade using $15,000 on my real balance. Okay, at first we need to choose indicators. I like to use on-chain channels. And now I will trade. Time frame will be 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. And now I will trade using $1,000 per one deal. Now I like to buy from this point, and after 7 seconds we will know I earn or I lose $1,000. As you can see now, price is going a little bit down and I take 2 positions buy, 2 positions long, because price need to go up from this point. That's why I take 2 positions. 3, 2, 1, and I earn $4,000. As you can see on my balance is almost $16,000. And now I like to take one sell position from here, and as you can see price is going down now. 6, 5, 4, faster, 3, 2, 1, and I earn another $2,000. From here I will take one buy position, and after 7 seconds we will know. Wow, please, and it's going up. 1, and I earn another $1,000. Oh my god, from here I will take another buy, but price is going down. Please, going up. 5, 4, 3, 2, please. Yeah, no. I will take 2 positions up from here. Fuck, I was unlucky. Please, going up. 2, 1, and I earn another $4,000. As you can see, on my balance is already $18,000. From here I will take another buy. I think it will go up from here. 6, 5, 4. Oh my god, I want to earn $30,000 on this video. I earn another $1,000. From here I will take one sell position. Because I think that the price will go down. Please, 4, 3, 2, 1, no. From here, two sell positions, 2 short positions. After 6 seconds, we will know I earn or I lose. 3, 2, 1, and I lose. So I take 5 positions down. From here, please. Oh my god, please, go down. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, and I didn't earn nothing. Fuck, it was bad. I will take another short position from here, but price is going up and I lose another money. So I will take buy from here, because now I think that the price will go up. So we will see now. Price is going a little bit down. So I take 2 positions up from here, and price is going up. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, and price is going up. So I earn another $4,000 from here. Okay, and I will take 1 sell position, 2 sell positions from here. Okay, so I didn't wait until this first position closed. I take it another 2 positions, and I earn $2,000, and now I earn another $4,000. Oh my god, it was very good. It was very good. Okay, and now we need to wait a little bit. So from here I like to take 1 sell position, another sell position. We will see now where the price is going. But price is going up, so I take 2 positions sell from here. If something, I will take 4 positions sell. But now we need to wait for 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, I lose, so I take 4 positions from here. And now we need to wait again. Price is going a little bit down. Please. Oh my god, 3, 2, 1, and I earn $8,000. Oh my god, I already have $19,000 on my balance. Ooh. It was very scary, okay, but now I'm in plus $4,000. Okay, from here I like to take 1 buy position. Oh my god, it was very good entry point, but price is going down. No, up, 2, 1, and I earn another $2,000. I already have $20,000 on my balance. So I earned $5,000 per 1 hour, and the link on this website will be under this video.